Hello everyone. I'm an affiliate. I'm a TikTok affiliate. So I'm getting on now to talk about Seeds Volt Kit. These are heirloom seeds, which what does heirloom mean? It means these are the natural seeds that God gave us when he produced the land and before the scientists decided to genetically modify their origin. So you do not want those seeds because they harm our body. They don't help our body. These work with our body. They're what God wanted us to eat. And this is what you need to focus on. And every person needs to get this. And literally it says non-GMO. You want to see that. You also want to see non-hybrid. Remember, GMO means genetically modified organism. You do not want your seeds modified in all. You want heirloom seeds. Heirloom seeds. That's what we want. That's what we need for our bodies to get the nutrients. Also, you want this book to learn about the natural herbs in nature that God gives us. It's full of pictures, full of information on how to utilize the plant, either for a tincture, a tonic, or a tea. All very beneficial for the body. And then, if you're still in a fear-based mindset, get the Amish Ways, because it's going to, literally, you're going to need this, and you're going to want to know the plants that they're using. And this book explains the plant in detail, what you use it for. These three can help you, educate you, and get you out of the doomsday mindset that you're not going to be able to survive, that you're not going to be able to thrive. You can still thrive. And this book teaches you how they grow, why it's essential to, because there's a certain way you should plant your seeds to help pollination. And this book teaches that. And I love that because a lot of people don't understand the value of that. You want to put plants that help bring the pollinators. Our pollinators are our bees, if you do not know that. But it also says the Amish way of gardening, using plants the Amish way, preserving the food the Amish way, self-sufficiency the Amish way, and then using money the Amish way. It literally tells you step by step. It also tells you how to build, and it's literally showing you. There's great pictures in here, guys. Literally great. A lot of information. Between this book and this book, you can't go wrong. You will utilize them both, especially if there is a power outage that they keep predicting. And then if you have these, there is, let me see, how many is in here? 35 varieties, 35 vegetables and fruits, seeds, ideal for starting a garden or storing for future use. Heirloom, non-GMO, open pollinated seeds. Harvest your seeds for future gardens. Free bonus 35 free plant makers so you can help keep track of what seeds you plant where. USA heirloom seeds proudly grown and packaged in the USA. And also, I learned this in school. When you put the seeds in your mouth before you plant them, it collects your saliva and will actually pull from the dirt the nutrients you're lacking. Isn't that cool? So please, remember to put your seeds in your mouth just for a few minutes, just enough to get your saliva on there, and then plant them. So please, 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 do me a favor. Go get your products today because everyone needs these. Everyone needs these. especially if you're in a fear-based mindset and you think the government is going to save you. They're not. They're not going to be there. They're not going to hold our hands. They're only thinking about their own families. Love you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.